Well, this is your girl Candy Empress from Richard Brown Films. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you guys for everything that you have done already and what you're about to do right now. Yes, thank you very much.
Boy, Bobby, time fly fast. Can't believe that tomorrow I'm a flight day. I can't believe that.
You better believe it.
Stop it, man. You should know me by now.
How? When you go up there, you know, better find a new woman and forget me and with daughter.
Yeah, man. I'm going to find one heap of new woman. Yeah.
Not tell me so.
Money, you don't know money, man. You have to love money.
But you don't understand my language. You talk better than me understand.
You have to teach you a little bit about the streets, you know. Yeah, okay.
But babes, make glad say you get chosen when you not tell no lie because at least we life will better.
Then I must, man, we are talking about opportunity for us and the local one too, you know, you go already. And talking that too, I hope you get a close eye on her, you know, because I don't want my daughter to turn out like them little girl there. Worse of all, them a report on news now, the youngster, them a take Mali and all these things. You know, the song, one Mali get pop, whole place broke out and then something.
Me hear about it.
Yeah, me know want my daughter to indulge in and nothing like that.
Yeah, talk about that. And no Mali alone. You don't know when you vape. You don't know this when you vape.
What that? The thing where you plug in at the wall?
Plug in. If I the one, if you kill mosquito, it wouldn't so bad. You don't know that sweet something the way it smell and then smoky.
Oh, when they see them do the smoke and they make it circle and
drugs they in it. It hurt a lot of kids. It'll kill them too. A dangerous something. It's not good for them health. And me no want with that to take it up and put it on her head, make she feel say it is right to smoke. It is not right. You know many children me watch CNN news and see it kill? And a good something. The people them too wicked, they shouldn't make that.
For sure. Me no want my daughter to have no bad experience, cause me I go work enough money. And I go make sure say she get everything. Not the way she alone poor no so for sure. A matter of fact, it's like you blend up the juice in me this morning. The juice, it bad. Me like it. And me like for a local tubes. And I go drink it now and put it to use. You understand?
Me never know say you love it like that. Me have to go blend up some more for you before you go.
Hey, come we are talk about more and put the rest, more and put when we drink this morning to use now, and then the balance of it later, cause you know it go.
Be careful, you know, because I don't want to get pregnant so quick, you know.
What happened to you?
Alright, guess
what happened to you? I'm going to give you something.
I can't manage it, you have too much something in this. You can't go friend and I can't so much something. I can't manage this as a case, you know, take and put
you. I know you can't manage this.
If you got a friend and I carry so much something, no, take them and put them over this one, come on. Okay, hurry up, do this before she come from school. Come now. Put it over this one. Later I finish pack you. Me I go miss you. God no, me I go miss you real bad. Nobody give me no money no?
I'm the money. I'm no kind of money of that, but right now.
Alright. Anyway, me understand. And me know you have to leave. But make sure so you call me as soon as the plane land.
Call me, man. You have to talk about me. You say it's plane land, man. It's plane land. I want to die.
Me no want you miss your flight. Yeah? And I know you go already. I know you miss me. I miss you too. And I love you. Take care. I hope you have a safe flight. One, sorry, so I can't come because I have to go look about this something for your mother. But no worry yourself. Just call me as soon as you reach here. Yeah?
Sure.
Alright. Hi, Kira.
Hi, Auntie Candy, what on?
Me there, I'm glad to see you. You look nice, though.
Thanks.
A long time me not see you. So you done college now?
No, I'm not finished college. This is my second year. A little holiday me depend now, you know?
So what your mother doing? She alright?
Yeah, man, she good.
Anytime you see her, you have to tell her hi for me.
Alright.
So, one little rat did come pinch me and tell me say your mother soon come down.
Oh, tell her that.
One little rat man.
Jesus, they can chatty.
So, you see when she come down? You see perfume when she always bring for me? Eh? And them nice spread there. Tell her, say nobody sell them out in our Coronation Market, you know. Because me want mine.
Me know Auntie Candy, me know say you're hot girl.
And she knows I love it pretty curtain them and sitting. So tell her if you put for me aside. It no matter how much feet. Me will pay feet. And I love nice foreign things.
Me know.
Anyway, me glad me see you. And continue. Work hard in a college. Because your mother have you hard, you know. And God bless your mother, make sure you reach a foreign, you know. Your mother did have it hard, girl. So you see, oh, your mother did have it hard? Me sure. So your mother don't want you have it hard, so she want you to live a better life than she. So continue, hold up your head. I mean, like how you're not pregnant before time.
Me not so pregnant, me ready for that yet.
Oh, you're a good girl, man. Keep it up, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Guess what? You know me already, you know. I like to when young girls come up and come out of school without baby. Get their education and come out successfully in a life. So guess what? Big up yourself, my baby. Me glad to see you. Me like what you do. Big up yourself, my baby.
Yeah, right.
And although you know, for me style already, you know. Although me go now, because you know me love chat already. But guess what? When your mother put down his spread and he sick them for me, I'll pay for them. But remember, say me want some free soap.
Auntie Candy, remember say something you come by. Yeah.
Foreign sick and smell good, me want some free soap.
Later.
Alright, my baby. Grandma! You don't have any plantain chips?
No.
Alright then, me go one next shop. Alright.
I got the service now pick up water, so. Oi, Lord, the corner face, my ugly. Go on. Yeah. Me go shop today and me say Auntie Candy. Yes, but no talk with me now. No sound like a picnic. But oh, you feel remember our sheet set spread. I didn't even know what she said. My head bad. Sheet set and the cold one, and you have to bring the free soap what she not pay for. You know what Auntie Candy stay? Oh, by the way, she sent me to ear up. I almost eat a message. Yeah, man, she good. Big and fat as usual. No, I never see her daughter. Rotted. The service drop.
Good afternoon. Hello.
Where name?
Shanice.
Shanice. Are you a Candy daughter?
Yeah.
Me rotted. You get biggie. Watch ya. Why you get so big? How much now?
I'm 14.
Our grade A now. Alright, left that alone. You see your mother in the shop where they me ask her about you and she say, alright, you're big man. You have phone?
No.
Oh.
My mother never let me have phone. She not allow me to have phone.
Oh, me have one iPhone 6 when I use before my upgrade. But today I'm college down. When I go back, I can bring you for you. You're pretty dude. Where you color your hair for?
I just see different looks.
Oh, you
mother
not
say-
get yourself no trouble.
I not get trouble.
Boy, me know see you not get trouble. You're one nice girl. And one day me hear somebody talk, I spread news about you. But me know say I lie them a tell. Because you're a good girl and me know you not do that. And the somebody when me hear say I talk about you, them the girl that did broke up Miss Joyce's daughter one night time too. And I see where so they then walk and chat the girl and tell life on the girl. Then wicked and evil and you know if you follow friend here, leave friend alone, friend are wicked. Friend, Them chat you behind your back and do all kind of laugh up in your face and talk behind your back. Them are two-sided machete and you have to be careful of them. You hear?
Yeah, man, me be careful of them because my mother always school me and tell me about friend. She lick that in my head. So me can never forget. My mother said friends not good for you, girl. I could never forget that when my mother tell me all the time. Cause every time I go around them act like me and them a friend, and then when you say them a crucify me behind my back and I say me a idiot and one bag of something. So my mother said me to stay far from them.
Don't make them words break you down. The more them talk low about you, make that talk with them talk uplift you and make you be a better person. You hear? Don't listen to them. Your mother always talk, oh, she proud of you and you get A+. And you know, I'm feel good and feel nice. Me see you walk past and me hardly recognize you because I never know you, so you get big. Don't pay friend and company no mind. Don't pay them no mind. Continue to make Candy proud because your mother nice lady. I mean, know say if you pass your CXC them, all of them, know say she go buy you one phone, laptop, cause that the woman they both in the hell, pen money like our Candy. Love my auntie Candy, bad.
You know, my mother Candy, she always make sure say I'm alright and she never make me hungry. That me love with my mother. And she always put me in the right path. Always talk to me, convince me not to make friend break your folly ground. I'm not gonna make none of my friend them break my folly ground or bring me down. I make people laugh off of me. Anyways, I don't even have no friend because them girls they even classify me as them friend.
That's right. You have no little boyfriend?
No, sir.
So I can say that so.
Cause my mother will kill me.
Aha! I don't want to Candy. Anyways, me I can't go later.
Alright,
Nice
remember my phone, you know?
Yeah, that me just go say me I go carry go give your mother.
Alright, just make sure you know say you go give me one phone because my mother, she different. Me can't bring in
no phone from.
You know what?
I know Auntie Candy.
Yeah, later.
Alright, bye.
Babe? What going? You alright? Of course. Why you have to ask me if me no miss you? You must be mad. Me miss you bad. She alright. Me can't wait for you to come back. I swear me can't wait for you to come back. Love you too. Boy, babes, me say from you gone, a sleepless night me get. Me just a dance and turn in my sleep, so me can't wait for you to come back, man. I so really feel when people man gone left them for so long. No man, hurry up and come back. Me know say you have to go work, man, and me don't want you to run late. Boy, 3 months long. That's so long me not get to do it. Right now, I change no know your feelings are come for me. Hurry up and come back. And you have 4 more months. Are you saying me hold it still? Because you don't know some love you already. I'm not this you. Can't wait for you to come back. Love you. Alright, I know say you have to go alright. Yeah. I'm not getting a bun. Oh, joke I make. Okay, alright, baby. Love you. Bye. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, I go tell her when she come. Babe, the place hot. Right now, a bathroom, I go bed. Me hot, man. Me hot and you cold. You in a cold and me in a heat. Alright. Yeah, love you. Bye-bye. Alright, cool.
left. Sir. Can get one. I could have one red cheese strip, please. Why not look like none?
Yes, I was about it.
Alright, give me iPhone.
I want many on the map. Hey! You want anything else?
No.
Don't say anything you
Yeah,
like.
peanut butter donuts.
Anis.
I want copy them. Where are they, sir?
You know, say I shop my cup and go, mother send me out.
Oh, you know, some my mother sent me out too. She said me come buy I cool and one red street strip, but she them not have none, so I'm just buy this. Excuse me, I can't go to my mother.
I want to dinner.
You know, then they said they come buy something.
You come back from by that.
So we want to talk to me, boy.
No, take a long time now to do some do.
We want to tell you.
No, some like you do. And you just like how your mother grow your good. You know, say, my mother and your mother are good friends also, so. But I want your mother to be my mother.
Hello, Jada.
Auntie Candy,
Come to you, alright?
you know, say, I tell you something. Is it true because I know you stay? I never know how me fit tell you now.
Where you going kind of suffer? What you say?
Me see your daughter turn up and talk to one big man, you know?
You sure?
The man look like in the 940s.
You see my daughter stand up and talk to man?
The man could have been all my father.
What you say?
Yes, Auntie Candy. For real, me turn up and look upon them.
Alright.
I like it too, you know, but I'm afraid because my mother always warned me about pregnancy and then something then. Whereas my mother alone, I'm not have no father today here with me with her. So I'm afraid my mother, she head mad too and then something there and I can't drop out of school. When I drop out of school, my mother that beat me left, right and center.
Here now, now worry about not pregnant or nothing because we're not ready for that yet. Like, now I'm married you. I mean, I think your mother will say nothing about that because your mother like me too as a little young youth, you know. So, can't finish education and think about all of that.
I don't know puppy like me really like you know, but I go think about it because you know my mother is mother is and I don't get my mother in no trust. So clean and if anything we go up now and then they will get pregnant. My mother police will lock her up. I'm not on the out of school.
Alright then, no problem. Me work with you.
Where you do on the road?
Put it on
About what?
school.
School. You sure say school alone you not talk about? Don't tell me no lie. Because me stand up right there so and me overheard everything you want to say. But listen to me now. Me not gonna beat you. Say not to worry yourself. Listen to me now. Me not gonna beat you. Me say come with that when I have. And I love you dearly. And I don't want you to drop out of school before time. Education is the key to success. You have to take your book. You did leave your homework with you. You finish it. Don't shake it off for me. Me teach you manners, you know, and so me grow you. What you must say?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Me hear everything what you and him talk about, you know. Me understand some of high school children. But none of the two are not ready for the world yet. Don't take on what you guys cannot manage. You hear me?
Yes, Mr.
Listen to me now. Copy that. As far as I'm concerned, to when me hear just now, I say you love off my daughter. But I don't say you can't like her, you know, or love her, you know. But the two of you guys have to take up on a book. Education is the best thing you guys could have ever take up in your life. That is the first thing. You hear me? Because once you and my daughter take on a book at school, well, when you grow up big, I don't know, I have a date and no go out and stuff. At least you know work. You can support yourself. You can buy her stuff, she can buy her stuff. But yes, if you're right, you know, you're not ready to done school yet. You understand me? Because I always want you, you know. You're not ready to done school yet. The two of you are 14. You're in the same class. I know you a long time, you know your father. You're not in the same class. Me already know. So that's why I tell you, say, you're young. You're not ready to take on the world yet. Boyfriend and girlfriend, no problem. But you see the sex part, sex before the time come, it's a no-no for me. You understand? So, when I go to school, the two of me talk to. As a mother, even though me know your mother, I can be your mother. You don't look at me so. That's what me talk. I can be your mother, I know your mother, you know too. And me your father, friend, I do know that. So it's when me talk to you, put this in your head, say whether my daughter you go want, or a next woman daughter, wait until you reach the age. Wait until you can support that woman when you no grow up big. And in case you go give her children, you can sustain them and not leave them to suffer. You hear me? You know say me like you a long time as a nice little youth, you know. And I like whatever you do, which me talk to you and tell you say anything where they do in school, keep it up. No put no girlfriend and you, no put no boyfriend on your head and make you no drop back in your class. Then when an exam time, you no feel. Because you think about she and she think about you. And when an exam time, you no feel. You want to feel? When you no go to school and an exam time and you don't see or whatever see, A or B, you need to pass it in a flying colors and make your parents proud of you.
Yes, Miss Candy.
Me not keep up your time. I look like your parents send you out on your stomach on the road. And you need to go back in the yard. You have something to do. You don't need to hide. Listen to me. You and him are friend or a classmate. You and him can do homework together. You can talk and have a laugh. But don't put it too far. Because I no phone no time yet. Sex now run way. What me say? What me just say? Sex not running anywhere. You're not going to wait and up right yourself. Sex affects everybody. But when your time is your time, and no full no time yet, you're not too young. You figure say how much? Francie, you're 14, you know, people only in the same class. So, me understand. You like my daughter? I don't have a problem with that. But just wait until you reach the age. After you reach college, and when you're not done in a 5-year college, after everything, it won't good to go. I don't have a problem. Because I'm a big man at the time, I'm a big woman. But for now, you not put one enough to put on your head. Just think about it, book, man. You understand? Alright, come go on down to your mother.
Alright.
Yeah, man. So
Later.
Alright, me see you.
Yeah.
Alright, my baby. So this one now. You hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
You don't eat nothing from morning? Then want to eat 2 eggs, then when I did left in my pot. I go back in there, go see that small sitting here and eat. I'm going to look in the fridge if it's no juice or nothing to eat. There? Alright, take care and eat it. My phone call. Alright, you talk to Miss Blackwater. That's what about something. Come on in there. Alright.
Yo, what happened? You know you were going? You know, some of them are going. Say no, here's a candy daughter breed Shanice. That's a girl you always a come run with. Eh? He kill belly girl and then kill the belly. I lie at her. I don't lie. I swear if I'm lying, I'm trying. You lie, man? I true. And his mother, his mama carry him candy. Carry Shanice go dash her belly. Stop chat, man. You too lie. I swear if I'm lying, I'm trying. And you know me not tell you lie. Me not spread.
Me know your mother for a long time. I me notice how you and one next one we then call Rachel.
Ja. So what that have to do with me?
Uno a friend. And fear mama no busy with her, fear mama no busy with you. Me no understand that. You're a girl child. And uno everywhere me go me see uno all over the place. Me notice uno no manners, you know. You are 16-year-old. You see? My daughter is 14. My daughter, she act like, cause she not even know who she must take for friend. My daughter, as far as I concerned, as far as me concerned right here so today, me serious. Me dead serious now. Me can't take it no more. Me no want to see you and for me daughter again. Cause this little girl not top tell me say you and her a friend. How come she choose Uno to be her friend? Me no want to see you and my daughter again. You, Rachel, and whosoever more Uno have as crew and the chat about Uno a gang. Me no want to see Uno and my daughter a friend. What me just say, as far as me concerned, I do not want to see you and my daughter again. Me no want to see she and Rachel again. Don't look for me, say, you know. Because me know, say, you know, I know man as long time. And if you not stop from behave like how they behave, come here, so when you're not ready, you know, cock up the drink and they smoke and they do all...
My daughter and a friend from morning.
Me know. And me tell her, say she pick up the wrong company. Me no know where she come tell me about Uno and her friend for. My daughter, she choose the wrong company, but Uno not go broke her out. Uno not go lead her astray. She go stay in at school until she get where she want.
And she more for they broke me out.
How she fear broke you out? Eh? You and Rachel have man at the age of how much? No, no, 16. Eh? At a younger age, but you have boyfriend. What you do with man already? So for no woman know what you do. Little girl, leave my daughter alone. She not ready for pregnancy yet. A matter of fact, she not ready for no man. Don't break her out. Me hear say, you and Rachel have my daughter name on top of the light post. They chat how she breed and me carry go dash way.
Me? Me don't even love your daughter, but me would do that.
Me know so you don't have no love in her heart. That is the main reason why me don't want her to mix up with you. Because you mix up and me don't want to put her in a phone blender. End of story. Me have nothing more to say to you more than the last thing. Don't forget this. You see, anyhow me hear so now call up my daughter name again, watch me and you.
Hey!
Go on in your yard. Anytime you see your mother, me go make a complaint about your little girl.
So you're going to make a complaint to my mother?
Hey, little girl, you know me, no?
It's a big woman.
You know me and they go on like you don't know me.
Big woman,
Because if you are the big somebody, you saw me do you out there today.
big woman, go on.
You know nothing about you. Me know
Yeah,
something no manners.
that's a bigger woman.
You have no manners. You need to have respect and
Go on,
discipline.
I love you, big woman.
You
No,
have
this a
no
big
home
woman.
training. You.
Your daughter have home training. Your daughter a bigger woman, see.
Where you come from?
You don't like girl then?
Don't have the girl them.
Yeah.
Them the girl that when me warn you about how them chat people and then have nothing good to say about nobody pitney and they not see what them a do. How much time if you want us if you leave out a company, bad company, no good. The same people them where you sit down with a date them and then laugh and chat with you. And everything you have, them beg you eat. You give them it at them same one. You mix up with. Me not understand. What make you can't live out of that the company there?
The reason why I go down there no more is because somebody said they have something to tell me. And the third time the person when they say I have something to tell me this. The girl I walk on the taxi. I'm pregnant. They bring me the dasher then.
What you say? They have the chat say you pregnant and me can you go dash away? Me? Shanice,
Mommy?
me no know of you they have no man. You understand? And if you pregnant and me can you go dash your God will know if you do with me. People just talk too much. That's why you look so stressed. And they sit down by yourself and not talk. No, me know why when me they call you. You're in a wonderland and you're the right. That's why me they call you. You act like you don't hear me. Like you they look out of space. Don't follow them. You see them kind of girl there? All them do is spread rumors from people wrongfully. Them is a hypocrite. Me tired to tell you. Do not keep friend with them kind of people there. Me would never care you. But even though you're young. You're a 14-year-old. You're young. Why me should I ever put abortion in your head? Why me would I allow you to get pregnant and me go behind God back and carry go do that something there, girl? You know right. Abortion is wrong. Shanice, don't worry yourself about them. A sudden still love yap them out. Hear news and tell lie. You see tail bearer? Me go show it in my Bible. Tail bearer always behave like that. Why you would get pregnant and me allow you figure that way? Abortion is wrong. It is not right in a God's sight. People take up that they put on their head. You can end up dead when me make you do it, and then me in a be a problem. Me would never do that. Then chat too much. Why you afraid to tell me who?
Because the person will tell me, so I'm not to tell nobody that's you go to them back.
Really? So they have your name, my child, I walk around and I spread rumor. Oh, you breed and make you go that way. If you know me, know, because you know your mother, you know, it look like them don't know me. You're trying to show me how. Yes, me will listen. But you see them kind of people, you pray about them. Forget about them. They always have something bad to say about other people. People like them, they never have nothing good to say about people. Especially some people where you try to help. You did know, say, people like them there, you could have taken out your last dime and give to them. And them same one turn around and crucify you.
Yeah.
Be careful of those kind of people. Because when you help them, them turn around and mash you down. Because they don't want to see your rise. You understand me? And I always want to find you little, you know. You see I grow up now, you're a 14-year-old and I know say you have sense. It's when people talk things like that about you, just pray. Left in a God and karma must reach them. Whatever goes around must comes around. And once you sit down and plot against people wrongfully, you have to reach your back.
That's why I'm telling you no more, because if I did pregnant, you would know. And you would have beat me. And I know you would bring me to do no abortion. You would have more to bring me to proof school. Because I'm underage.
I know say you have sense and you better be careful too, because see it there, then start put their mouth on you already. Then tongue no good. You see the tongue here? Power in there. So use it and pray and take them off of you. And me we help pray to come here your mother. Me go ask God to cover you, because see there, then start spread propaganda upon you wrongfully. And people like those always get in a problem. Me no like them kind of people, their style. Me not go hate them, you know. Me just pray for them. Then tongue no good. Then never, as me said before, has nothing good to say about people. Them the people that ever get in a trouble. When me tell you every day, it's not everybody stays so still, you know. But me I talk about the dirty-minded people them. After you help them, you will take off all your clothes and give to them. And them turn around and slaughter you. But left them to time, my baby. Anyway, you don't know what I say? The youth when named Papi Dan. Other day, you know.
You mean Puppy Dan?
What's your name? Papi or Puppy?
You mean Puppy Dan, mommy?
A Puppy Dan, I know Papi Dan.
A
I
Puppy
what
Dan.
that in name for you? Me always see him on Instagram. Guess what? You see that youth there? Puppy Dan? A good youth. But people always want one like they want use him. You know, so the other day, we there one place. You know, like a party thing?
Yeah.
And everybody share out the food. And it's like they don't want to give him none. And because me go say to one girl, say, you can't take out the whole of the food them. And all of them you take, you have to leave some for the youth. You know some don't like your style. You don't have to make everybody get. It is not fair. All of we the right, so the whole of we want. Are you want? You don't know say girl like your feelings.
For the truth?
For the truth. The girl like your feelings. But a childish ways them there. I don't put them there on my head. Because guess what? You see two them go on like them up there and they don't reach nowhere yet.
Yeah.
They're going to fall because of them tongue. Never have nothing good to say about people. Yeah, man. So you know me do, me have to go down to one next place now that I want a little shop down the road down there. So you know a little shop me always send you?
Yeah.
Down at Miss Jean. Go buy one food for you because he did hungry. Because good youth in anything me ask him to do for me, he always do it.
For the truth?
Yeah. for the truth.
Oh God, man, they wicked.
If they wicked. But don't worry yourself. Me always tell you to pray, because prayer is the best thing in the whole world. It conquer all haters. Prayer conquer all haters. What me say?
Prayer conquer all haters.
And when you get big member, whether me dead or alive, member say, Mommy say, prayer conquer all haters. Alright, now worry yourself, my daughter. You know me always love you, hear? Me always love you. It no matter what people say or what they want to do. Right now, me and you can't stop people from talk. Because you have some negative people who don't have nothing good in their thoughts. They not nothing constructive, nothing positive. They just think pure evil about people. But now watch them. They not go far. Leave them to time. Anyway, you don't see you to name Papi Dan.
Me did just pass him down the road.
You know 7 minutes me make mistake on the youth name, but he will.
Puppy Dan.
I saw me call him and he always answer. Anything me call him, Papi Dan, and he say, yes, anytime you see him, tell him to come check me, because I need to talk to him. Hear?
Alright.
Yeah, man, me have something to talk to him about. So guess what? Me did sit down here so I meditate, because me have so much ends to go meet up and I want to sit and sort out some things, because you know say you go to school.
Yeah, mommy.
Alright, so go and go study. Look if you see Papi Dan down the road and tell him say me need to talk to him. I'm a little virgin, man, so he not have to worry. Tell him say he not have to worry about nothing. Just tell him to come check me. Me dey up here so sit down here.
Alright, mommy.
Alright. Boy. Father God, sometimes you have to talk to yourself, you know. Sometimes we have to sit down and talk to you. Because this life, it is a journey and we have a long road to carry. But me ask you to give me faith to have strength and to know how to deal with some people. Father God, you know some like talk to you though. Because when I talk to you, I love when they say I'm mad, me mad. And you may have to reason with me. I beg you to cover me and my daughter under your blood. Because people with their mouth, not everybody, you know who me talk. Some people not have nothing nice to say about nobody. Me no want my daughter grow up like that, you know, Jesus. So me they beg you, lead her in the right way and the right path. Let you follow your spirit from the root of all evil. Can't take them things, man. You see, our father gone and left me one God, and you and me have to call, you know. So true they know say me don't have it. And me I struggle with my youth, Father God. They take my youth for idiot. So them try to spread propaganda. Try to spread propaganda upon me and my youth. I left them to time, Father God. Just hope and pray for the best. And I hope you cover that one. And all those who have them mouth upon me and my child. Me not wish no bad for them. You know how to deal with them and what to do with them. Yeah, man. What going?
Go on, Miss Candy.
Aye.
Daughter, just give me a message to me to come check you.
Yeah, man. You know, me always have to encourage you. I will want to talk to you. You know, in our future, and we have to encourage you in the right way. You see it?
True.
You know, I like what you do. What you are doing, keep it up. A good something you do, my youth. You see, from you have your head peace, nothing can conquer you. God give you a brain to use, so make use of it. I know you're well educated, you know. You're well talented. Yeah, man. You're very talented. So you see, anything will come good in your head to do it, go ahead and do it. Don't wait. Come realize you're rising, and some people do not like it. But now watch that, because while you rise, them a fall. Always keep yourself one step ahead of them. Make sure say you're on a different level from them, because them on the negative side and you're on the positive side. Me notice from other day, you know. Some things when me see I do, you know, me like it. Me like when me see I do. Continue work and hold up your head so you can work to achieve your goal in a real life. So when you get big, your mother and your father proud of you. Me and your mother and your father are friends, you know. You know that?
Yeah, man, I know that, man.
Me know your father a long time, and me and him are your father. Me fi say, Me and him are more friend. Cause me know him long time too. And your father a good man. I mean like how he grow you. So keep up your schoolwork and make sure you say you continue do what you're supposed to do. Don't follow nobody at school. You understand?
True.
Me notice you pick up the computer thing.
Yeah.
And me see you go and good in it.
Yeah, man, me all a edit to man, all a film.
But you're good man, me no know say so you're good.
Yeah, man, me I take my little time I do my thing, you know.
I'm proud of you and me know your mama.
Yeah, man, thanks.
Me I know your mama and me proud of you. So can you imagine your mother and father how they proud of you? You're a good boy, you know. And remember me tell you, so when you do them things here, make people know what you can do. Because when God bless you, your enemy vex. But now watch that. Don't watch that. No what it. No watch what they want to say. Whether this or that, tira, what's it not. Don't watch that. Because you is you and you have to be you. Don't live to impress no one. You understand?
True.
Just do your thing, man, and hold up your head. I like you as a little youth and me real long time. You're very ambitious.
You know, say a real talk, man. Like how you ever encourage me, you know, respect you.
Yeah, man. I'm proud of you.
Yeah, man, you know, say I don't have my father, me I go do. I see your daughter and he say you want to talk to me. I will collect something from my father for give my mother, so thanks again, here.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Guidance.
Alright, yeah, man.
All right, this one. Where the children they come from look so happy?
Good evening,
Auntie Candy.
Good evening, no parents know someone up on the road?
Yes, Auntie Candy.
Okay. You no look happy though. Make sure someone take on a book at school, you know. What a way you grow big. You can't stop calling me Auntie Candy now, you know. Frown no small. So you they call me Auntie Candy.
I respect.
Manners, Auntie Candy, manners.
Still
Me
respect
understand.
you. I remember everything you do for me, but me no want to pass me place in, but me still respect and love your auntie. But me say something I go on with your daughter. I me do want if I true. Can me hear them attack her, next grade them up a lane, attack her wicked. So you can't go dash your belly. I mean if you lie. I mean if you imagine the same girl them with tea in tea for sitting all the while front of you. But I tell her say me tell her so you know. Cause you know say pitney and pitney no fi mix up with big people. But me see it a go on. Thief out of sitting out of your house. Car go give them and so. And then sit down and chat him. As in turn him back. Then start cutting his throat like a goat. And then say what day when he's sick and we not see him for a while. Like you can't go dash your belly. So could you get if you go up on the road like you want to go up on the road.
You know, so me hear the story they go around from long time. And me go to them two girl they go warn them about my daughter. Me can't believe. So then still have the news that spread say me carry my daughter go dash her belly.
Yeah, me still a ear. And then my mother say, you know, fit to keep your daughter company.
True. True.
You know, you can't go dash your belly if me pregnant. And slip up in a life pregnant next to you can't go dash your belly too. So he said, me stay far from you. But I true me love you all the while because you do enough for me.
True, because remember when we don't have no food over here, and you used to call the whole and we and say, no, come and put it on the floor and give it five dumpling. You cut it in a half and give it a little. So that's why we come and tell you there's something there. Auntie Candy, remember from little bit, you know, but you see through me the little. Me never want you beat me, but through me big you can't tool it me now. Remember when you used to take mommy man.
What you say?
Yeah? That's why mommy said me not to talk to you because you used to take him man enough round her back. Especially when she gone to work and left me and you tell me to go sleep or go play with your daughter. And you take mommy man.
Brittany, you see Pitney, me no hold certain type of conversation with. But since as you are 19 now, me I go tell you what go down between me and your mother. Me and her used to go to the same school. Me used to chat to one boy in this class when me there and she in the same class with me. Me first when they chat to the boy. You know what she do? Take away me man. So you see when time we get all and left school, she have one man and me go take back for her man. So I take for take. Bun for bun.
But Auntie Candy, you know everything people do, you must return the favor. Let bygones be bygones. Yeah, true. You're a big woman if you know better. But I really that me come to you about, you know, Auntie Candy.
How what happen?
Your daughter, me hear them say your daughter do certain things. And the girl them up the road up there, so when we come down, you remember, you never hear?
Yeah,
They say them go fight off your daughter. Them go broke your neck over man, because you know tap walk and take people man.
and he not reach nowhere yet. But I true, me love an auntie candidate, so I tell you so you can protect him. So if you do it for true, you need to salt in something or sop it with water.
Anyway, thank you for tell me. But listen, me a one woman no take up for pitney. So me not go say my daughter no bad. But you see all of them girls who no hear talk about my daughter, them worse than my daughter. And you see if me a never big woman, you see all a big fat girl we a style my daughter and they send him go on my yard, go thief out my food and sitting. God know what I do with him, but me just a left him to time. Anyway, we no take care and thank you for tell me, you hear?
Alright. Show me your company, I tell you who you are, that my mother didn't say. That's why she said me have to talk to your daughter.
Achoo, no take care of yourself.
Yeah.
Alright.
True. Our daughter bad, Auntie Candy daughter bad. And me used to give her daughter man. See when time she gone to work, me and her go thief out, gone out, me give her man and them something so true.
Oi. Oh yeah, hold on your head, so you know see me?
No, me see you, and I say me no see you, but me mind the far. What you say you want to talk to me about?
Go over Kushe girl. All are easy.
Alright, come.
Me say Brittany, the one Auntie Candy daughter, I can't stand her. I don't like. I can't even know some of the time. You know say the girl get B100 in her girls and me. Some of the time I get 0. Me ever get 1%. And enough of the time me ask the girl to help me and she a hyper do like she no want help me and them so there. So when that girl a come to school, her big $2,000, $3,000 and me, I get $100 for go to school. Where $100 can buy. Me see her one time jeans and stuff I keep at school. She in her big clocks and her, you know, in her clothes.
But her father send them.
And me I tell you, me no know. She fi stop going hype because she know all that. You know what too? Me hear say her father file for her and it come true. So you know say when that the girl go away and when she fi come back, she not gonna remember none of with that girl go act like she don't know it. She go act on them so there.
You know she not do that. Auntie Candy no growing picking so.
Me I tell her the biggest latest iPhone 14 she get at me with my Alcatel. Can't bother.
But Jada, there's some of them something that sound like you carry feelings.
No, me not carry feelings, you know. Me just a talk.
You just attack, you just a vent.
Yeah.
You have to stop it.
Other day, me day in a lunchtime, I want to buy one food. And I beg a girl, $50, $50. She hype, she short out by me. Yeah.
That not sound like she.
So, me say she a go away. I want to see if she a go care about nothing for me. I remember me.
Jada.
Brittany.
Jada.
And she bad, you know? She don't even know the amount of things I know what that girl do.
What you know about him?
I be a man, she a be a man.
So you better?
Yeah, me bet if me better. Me a Gary man them, you know, so me know.
You know, that's why me ask if you better.
You know how much time her mother left her over here and tell her if you know come out of her house and she gone with man. Even other day when her mother tell her if you know come out of the house. Me see her and one man walk down the road. Tell me now.
Suppose I want her cousin then.
I don't know cousin.
You know Auntie Candy family big. You're too wicked.
And I kiss my lip.
Hey.
You're not idiot, you know. You're not idiot. What day she in a class and talk about she get her big Apple laptop and them suit them. Me don't even know Apple laptop look. Me don't even touch a laptop from a barn.
No man, they mess up me a sound like the height of jealousy. Jada, you have to stop it.
Yeah. Hey, that's why I don't know say you're not a good friend, you know.
Jada, me no good friend, so because me I tell you the truth. I have to fix up your folly grounds. You will tell me say me no good friend.
You're not real.
Me know, yes man, me tell no real.
You're not
so
real.
You're real.
Me real.
You're real. Alright, you're real. You're a real friend. You're real, man, you're real. Not even this, you're not real, so. You're real, real. Go on by your business, you're wicked. Have a nice day.
Yo, JJ, how are you there? You know, say me have one work for your match for me in a day, yeah. You can't do it for me. Today, want if you mash. Me there on the back road, me there under the big ackee tree. You can't call link me. Link me no, cause I want if you mash the crime for me today now. Alright, me I wait for you. Make sure you forward, you know. Me I wait, hurry up, me I wait for you. Ah. It takes so long, man.
Yeah, Jada, why pray? If you call me, know say I pray you want me mash, you know.
Yeah, what? Want a mash piece of work for me, you know. I have one friend there, me and her in a head class. But she a go on the little hypey way. You know them way there? So yeah, what? I go send her which part she live. And I go give her phone number. She have one piece of banger. She live round there, so. One old car in the yard, you see me? I go carry her and I go direct you which part she live. I don't want you going like you're Freddy and Freddy like you don't want to do your work, you know. Don't mash your work for me, you know, because they can let a bird, you know. Bad piece of girl, you know. It's a bad piece of girl, someone want you grown there. And you call her, she have one bang and I go give her her number. Take your number, you have a phone, take your number. 915 5321.
Yeah, man.
Around the sun, pick up signal, you know, so if you ring and you don't get her, she in there. Me listen, I hear when her mother tell her if you know left the yard. Her mother go work every day, someone want to go right now, hurry up and mash the crime.
Yeah, go on.
Ah.
Hello? Hello? Right, this a girl with me all waste my time. How I really are going?
Auntie Candy, evening. Yeah, what do you do?
Evening. What going?
Not a thing. I come to tell you something though. Master, I don't think you go like what you go hear no. Hey. But a true.
What you say you have to tell me?
I don't even know how to tell you because your head mad from morning and this just a go trigger you worse. Happy your problem.
What happened?
Auntie Candy, Jada come to me and I tell me say how she not like your daughter and she can't stand her because everything in doing at school as she want always a come top in a class and as she always a get all of the high grades them. And all the clothes them must true your husband live over far, you know. And he will send out the latest shoes them or something come give your daughter. True Jada see your daughter in the pretty shoes them and the new bag them and so on. Jada did beg your daughter. She said she did beg your daughter for one, and your daughter did look upon her and said to her, say, if she go ask you first if you can give her any little thing for care come give Jada, and true you never give him. He say him go what I want him go do to him and him go make sure say she go mash up on the life. But I know that alone. Auntie Candy.
Oh, I know nothing body have to tell me now, you know.
Hey!
Cause me can't.
Wait no Auntie Candy.
Take nothing right now.
Me a walk go round a shop round there so car the gas done. So me a walk go look if me see nobody can help me carry down the cylinder. When me reach near to the big tree up there so Lord God not Jada me hear per phone. So me say make a catch car. You know say him bad you know. So me say I wonder which man him a talk to now. When me listen, not fear that time I try set up man fi go in pan house in pan him in there. When me take a stack, the man, two the man walk come down and he send him fi go grown in your daughter house. have to take time to talk. I don't want if she a come or nobody a come
Me a look down there,
here.
man.
Cause remember, you know, Auntie Candy, Jada full of problem and stress, you know. I don't want to fight me, no, because me can't fight her from a little bit more. Me always just say, stay out of problem. So, me humble myself.
I
Me
know
have
me
to tell you.
can't get it. Where you say Jada do Jada when me take care of so? And me and Jada mother a friend. When Jada hungry and me yard she come. Me trust Jada all my daughter clothes them we can't fit her again. Me give Jada cause my daughter used to small like Jada. Me can't believe.
Jada Badal, Jada Hotel.
And when uno mother done you same one you know. Come tell me say your mother. Say you no fi keep no friend with my daughter.
Well,
So,
Jada, me no fi keep you with, cause you know, mommy
me
know
not
say me have to
understand. Where you
come
say
to
Jada a set up man fi going for my daughter?
Yes, Auntie Candy. And that's why me I try take time draw out her because if she can set up man for your daughter, cause for your daughter and her closer than how me and your daughter close. And closer than how me and her close. And if she can set up man for your daughter, what she will do to me?
Alright. Thank you for tell me. No worry yourself. Me they go to her about it, but me not go call your name.
Do me a beg you, no call me name.
Me not call your name. You know me already. Watching me and Jada, all know me can't believe. Say Jada really do that?
You better believe.
No, sir. No wonder why they have the chat. Oh, me care my daughter. Go dash your belly.
Jada started all of the little story them and the news them where you are hear about your daughter and we are spread the propaganda we are spreading in the local community. Jada I start from. And nothing but bad mind and grudgeful, that little girl. Envious. Jada spread the rumors. Yes, she's same one.
Okay. So Jada spread the rumors with her friend them.
So try not kill your bikini, tap kill your bikini over what people say.
Me have to go apologize to my daughter. Them they panic the way me give her. And me did a plan to send her go cops, you know. Me know where this a come from, you know. Her father, the overseas, which she hold on, you know. And true, me go tell them. Cause you know, true, she and them a friend. Me go tell them, say, her father file for her and he come true. So, true Jada, they go here. You know Jada. True, my daughter, they go here. Because the filing come true. And me go tell them, you know, come in and then come and ask me for her when she gone. Me can't believe that Jada really jealous over my daughter. And they spread rumors all over the place. That means that Jada is the hypocrite. With her followers there behind her. Now what you say? Thank you for telling me. Me will see you. Me I try to see me can clean off the car. Because me need to go somewhere in the morning. Thanks, here.
Me I go out of the dark.
Hello. All me tell you say, be careful of Jada. Jada is not a good person to keep friends with. You hear me? Okay. Alright. Jada! Jada, you not hear me I call you?
Yes, Auntie Candy?
Jada, come here. Little girl, you come like my daughter. I find your little so. Me I take care of you. Anything you ask me for, me give you. Me can't believe say all of the rumors them we are spread that you really do it, Jada. Jada, you me I talk to you know? Jada, you know what hurt me out of every lie where you tell Pan Shanice? You're gonna spread it how she get pregnant and me carry go through it way. Jada, why you do that?
Auntie Candy, me sorry. I true me jealous and true me see her with a big iPhone them and she get big grades in a class.
That no mean say you don't special. God make everybody special in a theme one way. You understand? But don't worry yourself. Me forgive you. But don't do it again. Because some parents, me not even tell you what they end up do with you. Go on home and make sure you don't do it again. Yeah? Me tell you already, don't do it again. Hear me now, please go over to Candy Empress channel, like and subscribe, leave a comment and share. Hope you all enjoy the movie. Alright, and I'm sending you over now to Richard Brown Films to subscribe, like, leave a comment and share. Also, public report. Please go over there, subscribe, do the same as usual. And Paradise Nation, please go over and subscribe, like and share, leave a comment. Yes, and big up on yourself. And thanks for watching again. I hope you all enjoy the movie. Look out for your next one after this one. I'm here. Yeah man, me gone out. Bless up on yourself.